This video will cover the forensic analysis of semen and seminal fluids, focusing on biochemical detection, pathological variations, and confirmatory protocols. The ejaculate baseline typically ranges from 2 to 5 milliliters in volume, with a spermatozoa count between 10 to the power of 7 to 10 to the power of 8 per milliliter. Spermatozoa have a distinct cellular architecture. The head contains dense chromosomes. The neck links to the midpiece, which provides energy, and the tail provides motility. Seminal fluid is composed of contributions from the seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral and epididymis, and spermatozoa, each contributing unique components. Clinical variations are defined by fluid volume and cellular count. Conditions like aspermia and azoospermia have zero or low fluid and sperm, while hyperspermia and polyspermia show high volume or count. Chain of custody and preservation protocols vary based on sample type, including liquid samples, dried stains, intact evidence, and medical swabs. Long-term stability of acid phosphatase requires freezing at -20 degrees Celsius. The analytical process follows a funnel, starting with visual inspection, moving to preliminary chemical tests for markers like AP and spermine, and concluding with confirmatory testing for high specificity. Optical detection uses UV fluorescence, targeting the biochemical compound flavin. When illuminated with UV light, dried stains produce a distinct fluorescence visible through an orange filter. Preliminary chemical screening includes tests for acid phosphatase, spermine, and choline. Each test uses specific reagents and yields a distinct visual output, but all have limitations regarding specificity. The brentamine pathway demonstrates the rapid acid phosphatase test. A rapid shift to purple, indicating the formation of purple azo dye, confirms the presence of the enzyme within 2 minutes. The biochemical hierarchy of reliability places seminogelin at the top for near 100% specificity. Prostate-specific antigen, PSA, is next, followed by acid phosphatase, AP, which has the highest degradation risk. Confirmatory antigen mapping uses immunochromatographic testing. Kits like P30 target PSA and RSID targets human seminogelin. 2 stripes indicate a positive confirmation, even in the absence of cells. Microscopic confirmation often uses the Christmas tree stain, a KPIC differential staining method. Nuclear fast red binds to the head's genetic material, and picro indigo carmine targets the tail's cytoplasm. Forensic significance includes DNA extraction from intact cellular heads. Markers like PSA and seminogelin are crucial for identifying sterile samples. This analysis transforms chemical trails into biological evidence.